Welcome to Workhouse Mixology, Mardi Gras edition. Just because we're social distancing doesn't mean we can't let the good times roll at home, which is why we're bringing you the art of mixology with the perfect hurricane cocktail. For this hurricane cocktail, you're going to want to start with a shaker filled with ice. You're going to take 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of white rum, and 1 ounce of overproof rum. You're going to add about 2-3 ounces of passion fruit juice or any juice you have on hand, a splash of fresh lemon, a splash of grenadine. Shake. Take a pint glass with fresh ice, strain into a fresh pint glass, garnish with lemon, cherry, perfect. Don't forget to visit our website for more online classes and Mardi Gras fun now through February 13th. Visit our website at www.workhousearts.org for more information on activities both on campus and online. Plus, be sure to register for our Mardi Gras parade on February 13th for some family-friendly and socially distanced fun. Tickets are on sale now for our drive-in comedy shows on the 13th, featuring Workhouse comedy partner Raw Mean and Friends. Space is limited, so pick up a ticket now.